Hello everybody. Today I'm going to be building screens to put in the windows. For whatever reason, screens just don't seem to last at a rental house. I don't know what happens to them, but they always come missing. So what you're going to need is a tape measure. This is a kit that has the edges and the corners to make it really easy. It does not come with the screen, but you can buy this also separately. But it comes with, and then you're also going to need a razor blade to cut the screen, and one of these little tools like this with the wheel like that. That pushes the what do you call that? The spline. That pushes the spline into the groove to hold the screen. I've done a few, it's pretty easy, so here we go. Okay, you want to measure the screen. This groove right here is where the screen fits in. So, .33 7/8, and you're going to want to take 1.5 inches off of that because each corner piece takes up 3/4 of an inch. 32 3/8. That's what I'm going to cut it at. So I take my piece of aluminum, 32 3/8. I don't have a pin, so I'm marking it with the razor blade. Okay, it's 32 3/8. Cut it with a razor. Cut it with an axe. Okay. Once you get it cut, one piece, test it with the corners on. You don't want to build this whole thing and then it doesn't, not the right size. Okay, so I got it. I'm gonna go test it now. So it's just the right size. Got a little bit of play, but not much. It's about as tight as you want to get it. And then while I'm here, I can measure the other side. 22 3/8. Okay, 22 3/8 minus 1.5 inches. 20 7/8. Same thing. I put the corners in, and then I go check it. This one I'm a little less sure about because it's got to be small enough to fit in there. Might have to trim it a little bit. So what I mean is it's got to clear. Goes in there first. One of the parts is deeper. It's got to go in there and clear that, and then. So yeah, it's about right. So now I just make double this. Make another one of these and another one of these, and then these just pull apart. Now we just put the corners on. Okay, now I'm going to double check that it fits before I screen it. Slide it in there. Yep. Okay, we're good to go now. Alright, now we just lay it out. I got it laid down. It's your spline. I forgot something though. If your kit comes with these things, these little springs, just pop this loose. Just put that on the outside there, then slip your plastic in. Just push down this. You want to get it on the first try because you could damage the screen by rolling it over and over and over again. And it kind of tightens itself as long as you just have it laying there. It kind of tightens itself. Kind of stretches itself. There we go. We're going to cut that little, we're going to cut the spline without cutting the screen. Well, now we're going to cut the screen on the far edge here. Just cut it on the edge, away from the screen. Okay. free from, oh, no we're not. Okay, we're free from that. Cut the rest of the screen off. Alright, it's as easy as that. Now we got our springs in there like that. There, like that. Push it in there first. Hopefully. Yep. There you go. That's how easy it is to do a screen. Just like a new one. I just want to kind of just show you this one before I sign off. So I can get this rose bush out of the way. So what I wanted to show you was the top and bottom measurement. You want it to be a little bit short. You want it to be able to slide past this lip on both sides, and the width measurement is the one you want to get right on. So, and also the pull tabs don't matter as much, but I like to have the little springs because you don't have the pull tabs, but you can just push it like that to get it out. If that makes sense, just push it with your thumb. And then that'll eject it. Ouch. Okay, that's enough with that rose bush. Anyway, I was just saying, maybe you don't need the plastic pull tabs as much, but the springs are nice to keep it snug. I did this on both of them, but I don't think I mentioned it. I put the springs on the side to where your spline is on the inside, facing in, so that, and you won't see it. You will not see it from the inside because of the window frame. So if you have these springs, put them to where your screen, you can't flip it over and put it this way because the deep pocket that holds these springs is on the side in the middle, usually from all the ones I've seen. So what I'm trying to show you here is you want to have a little bit of gap between the top and bottom. So cut it a little bit short where you just got that much. Then you push it in with your thumb there and snap it in, and you're good. measure this one a little bit longer than what it actually is because there's a deep pocket on this side. I would say from that pocket to this pocket like 1/8 of an inch longer, because then you get the right right fitment. All right, thanks everybody for watching. Hope you liked the video. See you on the next one. Like and subscribe.